Hey everybody, it's Greg and Janet with Strange RV Tours, and today we are going to show you how to put a new gray tank valve on your RV.
Right.
Hopefully. Janet the mechanic's going to instruct me, so I get to do this one.
Yeah, but it's nasty.
It's fun. I'm going to make this hopefully a little easier by putting a little petroleum jelly on the valves. You don't have to put a lot on there, just a little bit.
Sorry.
It's hard to put it on with gloves. Alright.
Yeah.
Now,
Hey.
I'm going to spread the two pipes open. First, I forgot, I need to clean out the inside of this as best I can. Okay.
I like being the cameraman.
Yeah, buddy. It's a lot more fun, isn't it? See if I can do this where you can see. Golly, that's tight. Okay. It's partially laying. Not sure if I got it. Hopefully that seals all the way in. I'm not sure if it's all the way in or not. Guess we'll find out, won't we?
Lines up okay?
Yeah, it's lining up good. Just make sure that seal is in there. Alright, some screws. You got the other two?
Yeah. Oh, you want all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I figure I'll get them started.
Okay, here's two more.
Get this one there. Yay! Okay.
Yeah, lining up good, huh?
So far.
Finding the right parts when you're in different places. It's not easy.
That is true. We thought we had the right one the first time, but we actually picked up a 2-inch, and ours took a 1.5 inch. Okay.
I think I moved it. These older RVs, I tell you what, Not one thing, it's another that goes out. But from what I understand, the new ones have even worse problems.
Move this out of the way.
Okay, you want to fill up the tank?
No, I don't.
Go ahead.
I don't.
Oh, okay. That'll work, huh?
Hopefully.
I think that's a 5/16 on this one.
Well, since you got to fix the commode, I guess it's only fair I get to do this one.
At least it's the gray tank.
Since we replaced the gray water tank valve here, and just go over a few things. It has 4 bolts that go into it and screws on the back side. Don't over tighten those 4 bolts. Get them snug and then back them off just a little bit. And once we had everything in place, originally the reason that we replaced this, we found out when we took it apart, was that the original gray tank valve seal was not in its proper position. So it was just barely dripping, but it was such a slow drip that it wasn't worth replacing until we had time to you know, we had half a day to take care of it. So but anyhow, back the screws off just a bit once you get them tight. And then what we did is we went ahead and filled the tank up, came out an hour later just to check it, and there's no drips. Came out about 2 hours later, there was still no drips, and now it's been 24 hours and still no drips. So I think we've got success here. So basically it's pretty easy to do. The only part that was a little bit scary was when we were putting the new valve in, so you know, spreading apart the 2 pipes, I was kind of nervous that I might break something else loose or crack one of the PVC pipes, but really didn't have any problem. So pretty easy fix, something that most people should be able to handle without calling a repair guy out. And I think that's about it. Janet the mechanic taught me well on this one.
Yeah.
So
it works. It pulls easy. You know, last one we could barely pull it out. Wouldn't go in good. You know, didn't go in all the way. That's because the seals were bad, I guess.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And the handle. The other reason that we had changed it out was the original handle on the original valve had broken off. We got a replacement handle, but we knew that if the handle had broken off, that it was only a matter of time before the valve itself failed. So it worked out for us. So hopefully it'll work out for you too. Okay folks, well, we hope you enjoyed this little video where we changed our gray tank valve. Hopefully it gives you a little insight into how to do it yourself and save a costly repair that really anybody can do this. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you enjoy all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so that you get notifications as to our future videos. And what else?
Share.
Please
share.
do.
Share. That way
Yes.
everybody, you know, it helps us, and then other people might use the information. So.
It helps us tremendously. Please share the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.